My sister's gonna be stupid and jump and sled down from the top level of my backyard at my mom's house. Let's watch. How do you feel, Sonny?
Awesome.
All right. See where that patch of grass is? That's where she's gonna land. Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
On your mark, get set, go!
Wait, one more time.
All right, this is part 2.
Don't pause it.
Okay.
I'm gonna make it down completely.
What?
I'm gonna make it down.
They say that cats land on their feet whenever they fall. Let's see if my sister can act fast and be a cat.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
On your mark, get set, go! She is so amazing. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.